Phase 10. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to complete all 10 phases. The object of each round is to be the first player to play all their cards. Pick a dealer who shuffles and deals 10 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards, but keep them hidden from others. Place the remainder of the deck face down in the middle as a draw deck. Flip the top card over to start the discard pile. Give each player a reference card. The player left of the dealer goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, draw one card from the top of the deck or discard pile and add it to your hand. If you can now lay down a phase face up on the table, you may do so. A phase is a combination of cards as indicated on the reference card. Phases must be made in order, beginning with number 1 and moving up to number 10. You may not skip phases. You are only allowed to make one phase per round, even if the cards meet the requirements for multiple phases simultaneously. To lay down a phase, the phase must be complete. You cannot lay down partial phases. If you lay down a phase in a round, you have completed that phase and will be working towards the next phase in the next round, even if you didn't win the round. If you fail to make a phase before the round ends, then you must retry that phase in the next round. After placing down phases, or if you already had your phase played on a previous turn, you may add single cards from your hand that fits any completed phase that is face up on the table in front of any player. This is called hitting. You may not hit if you have not completed your own phase. To end your turn, discard one card to the discard pile and the next player clockwise goes. You may not hit with the last card in your hand. If you drew the top card of the discard, you are not allowed to discard that same card. If the draw deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard into a new draw deck. A wild card represents any number of any color. You must have at least one number card in a phase. You cannot have a phase entirely of wilds. Skip cards are discarded in front of other players who do not already have a skip card in front of them. When it is your turn and you have a skip card in front of you, you discard that skip to the discard pile instead of drawing and end your turn. Skip cards may never be picked up from the discard pile nor used in phases. If the first card flipped at the beginning of the round is a skip, then the player left of the dealer skips their turn. Whenever a player discards their last card in their hand, then the round ends and every other player scores points for all their remaining cards in their hand as seen here. Mark these on a score sheet. Gather up the cards and the roll of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 and another round is played, with all the players who completed their phase moving on to the next one. Repeat this process until one player has completed all 10 phases, then they win. If multiple players complete their final phase at the same time, then of those players, the player with the fewest points is the winner. If it is still a tie, then the tied players replay the 10th round, and the player who goes out first is the winner. Alternatively, you can play with this variation, that everyone moves to the next phase after each round, and the player with the fewest points after 10 rounds wins.